Today is the day of Oppo. Oppo's Innovation Day event is happening and lots of stuff has been unveiled there, but by far the most exciting thing to see is the new under-screen camera Oppo phone. Yes, the phone that was teased before some months ago is actually almost ready. It's got a full screen look which is free of notch, holes, or any other thing. The camera is finally buried under the display. And by the way, this is an OLED panel. It almost reminds me of the time when the first pop-up camera phone prototype was shown by Oppo and it got released the following year, so this could mean we might actually see this phone getting released sometime in 2020. The camera is very well hidden, it's hard to see in person, but from certain angles and lighting you could see it. As far as the camera operation and usage goes, it looks pretty good from this video. Again, this is in the hands of reviewers, not from Oppo's own marketing, which is awesome, because it is at that stage where they are allowing reviewers to check it out. It was actually on display at this event which is taking place in China, so we could actually see this phone in 2020, or a flagship phone with a under-screen camera from Oppo in 2020. Now this is not something super exciting, I would say. I mean, it is the direction where we are moving towards, but right now I personally want to see some crazy camera tech, because I know smartphone cameras are gonna get really good next year, especially what Samsung is doing with this Galaxy S11. I think Samsung's current punch hole design from the front is pretty perfect. Obviously, I would love to have a hidden camera there, but it's not a huge deal. But at the same time, we must give Oppo the credit they deserve for this awesome innovation. Next year at MWC 2020 in February, Oppo is bringing a full-on flagship beast with Snapdragon 865 processor. It's set to have some serious gains. I'm not sure it's gonna have the under-screen camera because it is still a prototype device. It might be ready towards the end of the year, but this will be a all-out flagship phone from Oppo for the year 2020. It's going to be 5G ready and one of the first phones on the market to have Snapdragon 865. Now, along with the under-screen camera technology, they also showed off another cool product, that is the Oppo AR glasses. It's got 3 built-in cameras that will let you consume AR content and play AR games. No word on the release yet, but it's looking pretty good, and it's nice to see that the age of AR glasses are finally kicking off. So yeah, Oppo is making some big moves. According to Ice Universe, Samsung could also release a under-screen camera phone next year. It's not going to be a Galaxy Note phone or a Galaxy S series phone. It's going to be entirely different, but that's just a rumor at this point. We can see the proof from Oppo, and from the looks of it, it feels pretty ready. Another company that's pretty ready for this kind of tech is Xiaomi. We could see something like this from Xiaomi as well. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.